We are Pakistan 99. Raw materials are basic commodities from which goods are made. They may be primary, processed, or manufactured products. They show that raw materials can be primary resource or secondary resources. Water and the output from agriculture, fishing, forestry, and mining are all primary resources. What is the main raw material in baking bread, biscuits? The cotton textile industry processes raw cotton into yarn and then into their cloth. The oil seeds are processed into edible by the vegetable oil industry. Crude oil can only be used as a part source after processing in a refinery. Sustainable primary resources include timber water. Timber is the raw material from, among the others, the furniture, paper, and varnish industries. Water is used to survive. Water is used to drive turbines for hydel production and is an important raw material in many industries such as soft drink industry. As we continue talking about them, we talk about the metallic minerals and so on. A rare material is not confined to the primary products. Some secondary processed manufactured products also serve as raw materials. For example, wheat flour is a processed product but is also the raw material in a bakery where it is further processed to make bread. Wood pulp and cotton yarn are also processed materials that are raw materials. Cotton yarn is used to make manufacture cotton cloth. Cotton cloth is then manufactured raw material which can itself be manufactured into garments. Other products may be specially produced as components. These are manufactured raw materials which are assembled often in other factory. For example, electric motor wires, fan guards, and other components are assembled to make electric fans. Industries which can use agriculture products as their raw material are called agro based industries. They include cotton and woolen textiles, the sugar industry, and fruit juices. Well, they include cotton and woolen textiles, the sugar industry, and fruit juices. In Pakistan, agro based industries are common and they use local raw materials. Because Pakistan has insufficient raw material, some industries have to impose them. They include they include oil refineries, the iron ore, the steel industry, fertilizers factory, and our car assembled factories. Imported raw materials raise the cost of the production and increase countries' import bill. Principal factory industries in Pakistan. Pakistan had barely any industrial base at the time of creation in 1947. Since then, the country has transformed from a purely agricultural economy to semi-industrial state. It has developed many consumer goods and the industries as well as heavy industries like iron and steel ship, building fertilizers and chemicals.